We'll guide you through how to round corners in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape and create or import the shape you'd like to work with. Once you have your shape, ensure it's selected, then look at the top of the screen and find the path menu. Click on it and select Object to Path to convert your shape into a path if it isn't already. This step is crucial because rounding corners only works on paths. Now, with your shape still selected, go to the toolbar on the left and choose the Edit Paths by Nodes tool, which looks like a small arrow with nodes. You should see nodes appear around your shape. Click on the node you want to round, and then look at the top of the window where you should see a button that looks like two rounded corners. This is the Make Selected Node Smooth button. Click it to automatically round the corner. If you want to adjust the curvature, you can click and drag the handles that appear on the node to get the exact roundness you desire. This method gives you precise control over each corner of your shape. Another tip is if you want to round all corners equally, you can select all nodes by dragging a box around them or pressing Ctrl A, and then click the Make Selected Node Smooth button. This will round all corners uniform. Remember, you can always undo any changes by pressing Ctrl+C if you're not happy with the result. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.